The companion Proheat Portable BBQ with FSD is the perfect addition to any camp or caravan setup. The built-in flame safety device allows you to legally and safely connect this barbecue to a bayonet outlet on a caravan, RV or camper and prevent the danger of unintentional gas release. The half solid plate and half grill gives you precise control over the heat and the choice to cook over one or both burners. Say goodbye to burnt sausages with this low pressure barbecue. The built-in temperature gauge on the lid means you can even make a beautiful roast. Featuring an integrated piezo ignition and removable side tables, this barbecue offers flexible cooking options in a small package. Whether you're camping or caravanning, the companion Proheat Portable BBQ with FSD is your recipe for safe cooking and delicious food. Get yours today and let the grilling begin.